How to use Zapier. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Zapier. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So I'm over here on Zapier.com. So for those of you who don't know what Zapier is, it's basically a website where you can integrate different applications together using Zapier. So let me just show you. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, and the sign up process is very simple and it's free. However, there is a pricing plan. So let me just show you and get that out of the way so that you guys can know whether you are interested in buying this or not. So over here, as you can see, 5 plans available for us. One is the free plan, then we have the starter, then we have the professional, team, and company. So in the free plan, we get 100 tasks per month, which are basically actions, you could say. And then over here within the free plan, we get 5 zaps are basically integrations. So basically we can make 5 different integrations, meaning we can connect 2 applications 5 times. And we have 15 minutes update time. So how often Zapier checks for new updates. So over here we have 15, and single step zap. So you can have multiple steps of zap. So you only have one trigger and one action type of zaps, nothing more. And then you have transfer, which is in beta. But then you have the starter one, which is $19.99, and in it you get 20 zaps, 15 minutes update times, but you also get a bunch of different options such as multi-step zaps, transfers, 3 premium apps, filters, formats, and connection via webhooks, and you also get 570 tasks. And you can also increase the tasks amount depending upon how many tasks you want. So if you pay 39 instead of 20, you get 1,500 tasks. So keep that in mind. Then we have the professional, which is $49, and we have the $299 for team and $599 for company. And over here you can see how many features you get within each of these applications. So over here, unlimited zaps for the professional ones, 2-minute update times, and all of the other good stuff. Like you can see it over here. You can go ahead and pause the video right here and see it for yourself, because there's a lot of information. If I cover it up, it's going to take quite a lot of time. So I'm pretty sure you've paused the video right here and viewed all of these information. So let's go ahead and now sign up. So I want to try it for free. So I'm going to go ahead and try it for free over here. Continue with the free plan. And over here, we can easily sign up with either our Facebook account or our Google account. So over here, we can easily sign up with either our Google account, Facebook, or Microsoft, or we can input our email address and first name, last name, and get started. So I'm going to continue with Google, and I'll catch you guys in a second. So over here, when you first sign up, this is how it looks like. So over here, you can go ahead and answer these questions so that they can better describe you, what you are looking for, better describe your role. So what is it? So I'll just basically say I'm other, since it doesn't have my role over here. So I'll just say I'm a freelancer. And over here, how many employees does your company have? So okay, so we'll just say 1 to 49, even though it's not that many, but still. Then we just simply click on next. And over here, what apps do you use most? So you can also skip these questions as well, but if you want to get a better feel of it, you can answer it. It all depends on you. For me, I'll just skip all of this because it's not that important. So I'm basically going to show you over here how you can create a workflow, right? How to create a zap. So over here we have some examples of zaps on how you can create a workflow, such as Gmail plus Google Drive. So you could create something like that, or Sheets with Google Drives, or Google Drive with Sheets. It all depends on you, right? So over here, this is how you create your own workflow. Basically, you create a zap, you input a application over here in this bar, it creates a connection, and then you connect another application. So for example, if you wanted to create a zap between 2 apps, let's go ahead and see it over here. So over here you can create a zap, and over here on the left hand side you will have all these different options. You have my apps, zap history, explore, transfer zaps, and you have create a zap. All right, so simply clicking on this button will help you create a zap. You are using a free trial, so you have 14 days left. For the paid features, you can upgrade at any time. So over here, let's go ahead and click on my apps and see all the applications that are available. So over here, as you can see, we don't have any applications available because we haven't created a connection. So let's go ahead and create a zap. So we click on create a zap. So over here we have all these different options, right? All these different applications that we could go ahead and use. So first we have to create a trigger, right? We choose any of these applications, or we can search for it over here. Over 5,000 applications are available over here. And then we create an action. What does happen when that happens? So basically over here, let's take Slack, right? We choose a Slack, and over here we choose an event. What event do we choose? We choose public messages, new channel, new messages, new team, new file, new mentions, and all of that, right? So we have all of these, even though Slack has an option for that, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get it. So basically, let's create a Zap between Slack and my Gmail account. So whenever someone messages in Slack, I'll automatically get a email address, right? So it already happens. It already does that. But let's say you have a account set up on a different Gmail, and you want to get an email on a different email as well. So let's say new message as well. Let's say new public message posted anywhere, right? This is going to be the trigger. Whenever this happens, we're going to get a reaction. So now we just simply connect our Slack. So we got to sign into our Slack account. So over here, we allow all of these permissions to happen, right? So we just simply click on allow to allow Slack to allow Zapier to access it. There we go. Now we just simply click on continue. Now we set up a trigger. What do we want a trigger for, right? Trigger for bot messages, no. Or we could go with yes, true. And then we click on continue, right? That is a trigger. Now we just simply test our trigger, right? We're testing the trigger. We're going to see if it happens. It did. It found the message over here. As you can see, we have, this is a test message that was sent, and it works. So we just simply click on continue. Now we pick an action. Let's say now we want to receive our mails, right? So we click Gmail, and over here we choose an event, right? What do? We send an email, or reply to email, or find email, right? So this is will happen. So we'll just select send email, and we'll click on next. And now we connect our Gmail account. We allow the service to happen. And over here, this is it. Now we click on continue, and now we set up our action. So over here, select that. Now we just select the name, this one, and this one. There we go. We have selected that. And now basically I'm just simply going to fill out all this simple form for our Gmail, and then we'll go ahead and continue. Basically, we don't need to put 2 over here. We need to actually enter in the addresses that we want to send it to. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it out, and I'll catch you guys in a second. All right, so I filled it out, and I also tested it. I clicked the test, and now let's see if it works. An email was sent to the Gmail. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here we go. As you can see right here, I did put temporary email address so that I can check it. And as you can see over here, I saw it. We have received this message. So it does actually work. So this is how you do it. Then we just simply publish it and turn on. And now whenever someone messages within the Slack and within that specific folder, I will receive that Zap. So let me just close that again. Boom, here we go. So this is how it looks like. I mean, I didn't fill out any of these forms, but you can fill it out as you like it, but generally this is how it looks like, right? And this Zap is currently activated. So this is the Slack I created over here. As you can see, Zapier is connected. So if I just simply message over here, right, and I just simply open it up over here on the temporary email address, I should receive a message. As you can see right here, I received a message. So temporary email address, what it does is whenever you view a message, that message gets deleted after a certain period of time. And as you can see, this was the one that I received right here. So pretty simple. This is how it works. Very easy to do. So you can integrate any application you want with anything, and it will work. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.